darlings, welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title of this video, you already know what is going on. Yes, we are pregnant with our second baby and I'm so excited to film this video. And before I get into the video, I really don't know when this video is going to come up. I'm still deciding, just like I did with Andre. Maybe when this video comes up, I have already had the baby, maybe not, I'm not too sure, but I'm still thinking about it. Like I always say in my video, when it comes to baby videos and baby related videos, I kind of am careful. I really want to share with you as my subscribers, but the truth, the fact is, you are not the only people who are watching. Anybody out there can watch it, and some people just make some kind of nasty comment, and that really hits deep, you know. That's like a bit personal, so I'm kind of careful when I'm putting out these types of videos. So maybe when this video comes out, I will already have the baby. I don't know yet, but let's see what I'm going to do. So before I get into the video, I want to shout out my printables, my Kente Adinkra printables, and also my Kente Planner printables, and my nursery animals printables for your nursery and all those things. So let's get straight into the video. As you can see from the title, we are pregnant at this moment of filming this video. I am 33 weeks pregnant, and that is also part of the reason that I was sick for a while. I was sick for a while, especially in the beginning of the pregnancy. Was really not easy at all compared to Andre. When I was pregnant with Inkwan, my son, I was really fit and I was good and I was working and all those things, but with this pregnancy I got really bad backache and all those things, and I was just not feeling good. A lot of emotions, and yeah, sometimes pregnancy does that to you. But at this point I'm 33 weeks pregnant and I'm feeling much more better. We also have all this coronavirus going on, which is making me a bit insecure and making me a bit slightly panic and all those things. So I've been staying home and trying to keep myself and my son safe and all those things, which we have been doing a good job at this moment, and we are just praying that everything goes well and that everything ends well as well. We just leave everything in the hands of God, because there's really not much we can do to control this situation. So yeah, that is the situation at this moment. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a different video about the gender review, but I'm going to show you the bump, and I want you to guess based on the shape of the bump whether it's going to be a boy or a girl. At this point I already know whether it's a boy or a girl, so yeah, just put it in the comment section below, and I will well, I won't get back to you because I will make a separate video to announce the gender also. But I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a lot of pregnancy related video. Like I said, I think that's a part of my life I would like to keep for myself. If you want to see a lot of pregnancy related video, you should offer post and all those things, you should follow me on my Instagram. I'll link it right here, and you can see like more pictures and all those things. So yeah, okay, let me stand up and you see the bump. Let me know whether you think it's a boy or a girl, and yeah, I think it's a fun thing to do in the comment section below. So that is pretty much it for this video. We are having a second baby, guys. We are having a second baby. Oh my god. Yeah, it's really exciting, and a lot of things are already done, like the baby room and all those things. That is also part of the reason that we moved, for more space and stuff like that. So yeah, we are pretty much waiting for the baby at this moment. I'm not sure if I'm going to share the baby room here on YouTube. I remember I did share it with Andre, but I don't know if I'm going to do that with this new baby. But also one thing is also that we couldn't do like pregnancy photo shoot or baby showers and all those things because of this coronavirus and all those things. But I am thinking, as long as there is life, there is hope, and I'm just looking forward to give birth to a healthy baby, and that's pretty much it. I'm a bit disappointed that I couldn't do especially a photo shoot, because I think it's really important to put down some kind of memories. But I will see if I can just do a small photo shoot by myself, with maybe my brother taking pictures of me indoors or something, instead of going out and hiring a photographer and all those things and risking the chance of getting coronavirus and getting sick and don't know what's going to happen. So yeah, I'm just going to do something small, maybe indoor or something. I don't know. Depends on my energy, and also depends on who is going to take the pictures. Like I said, it's kind of sad, but at the same time I'm glad that I am healthy, and the baby is also healthy, and my little boy is also healthy. So I think at the end of the day, that is the most important thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Maybe my next video will be a gender reveal video. I don't know yet. I'm going to see what I'll do about it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.